In today's very quick video, we're going to take a look at a knife and gun lubrication product made right here in the USA, actually right here in Georgia. Freedom Lube knife and gun lubrication with the cool little spot applicator. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So this is going to be another one of the really quick videos I'm trying to make here. We're going to take a quick look at a product that I was introduced to at the Iraq Veteran 8888 range day last year, and it turns out this product is made by a police officer in the Atlanta metro area, and it was pretty cool. Made in the USA. It's Freedom Lube, and it is a firearms and knife lubricant. And the folks at Freedom Lube were kind enough to send me some samples here, and they said this is their latest product. It comes with this very nice, precise applicator. So we're going to take a look at this and see how well it works, coming up right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by my friends at clickbelts.com, where you can save 15% by using the coupon code SOP15 at checkout. Click belts feature genuine Cobra buckles, and they are sewn right here in the USA in the great state of Texas. And they have some of the best customer service I've ever seen. So if you're looking for a very, very strong, very cool belt, I encourage you to check out the folks at clickbelts.com. Don't forget, use the coupon code SOP15 to save 15%. Okay, we're back. So without any more rambling, let's get down to the old stump top and get to doing some of that lubrication stuff. Okay, so here we are down at the old stump top, and got the Freedom Lube. This is a 1 ounce bottle, and then it has the precision applicator, which has a 1/4 ounce in it. That looks like more than a 1/4 ounce to me, but that's what it says. And this whole set comes as a set for $18.99 from the folks at Freedom Lube. The applicator's, by the way, very nice. Has a very well made cap that goes on it with a little kind of a pocket clip. Take it off. There's another little cap over the needle applicator, precision applicator, and then you squeeze it to apply it. So I found a couple of knives that this is one I've had for quite a while. This is a Kershaw. I don't remember the name of this one, but it's a pretty nice knife. But if you notice, it's not opening as smoothly as I would like. So I thought we'd just try it on this and see what it does. So we'll just put a little drop right in there, like so. Let me put one more drop on the other side. I like this precision applicator because it doesn't get too much oil in place. Another little drop there. And just work it in. Okay, you're going to have to trust me on this, but I'm not doing it any harder than I was originally, and it seems to have done a pretty good job of lubricating this thing, because I'm actually trying to flick it where it doesn't open all the way just to see what the difference is. Put a little bit more in there, a little drop there. Let it soak in, and one more drop on this side and let it soak in. Down into the pivot, and okay, seems to be working a lot better now. Let's try, this is one, let's see. This is a Matt Graham designed knife, and it's always been a little stiff. This is the Condor. I want to say it's the Bush folder, I'm not sure, but and it's just got a little tension. It's not nothing wrong with it. It's not a flipper anyway, but I thought, you know, let's put a little lubrication in there on that one too. Why not, right? Just work it in and out a little bit. And some of that has to do with the tension, but there's no way to adjust the tension on this one. I can't really tell any difference on that one because of the bushing. But so it seems to be working pretty well. I know it's made a big difference in this knife. When I first dug this out of the drawer, I was trying to find an older knife to check this on that maybe hadn't had a lot of maintenance done on it in a while. I found this one in a drawer, and it was pretty stiff, and now it is completely unstiff. So gotta say, pretty good job there, in my opinion, for the Freedom Lube. And I like the precision applicator here. It really does allow you to get it exactly where you want it without wasting it, and I like the fact it's got a kind of a double cover on it. So Okay, well that was a hopefully very quick look at the Freedom Lube Precision Applicator set, and I gotta say, this stuff works. And I really like the fact that it is made in the USA, and also like the fact that when you buy this, you're supporting a local small business, which I think is a really cool thing. So once again, thanks to the folks at Freedom Lube for sending me this so I could show it to you, and for holding fast to that made in the USA principle. So I hope this has been helpful. As always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos like this one throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Sign up for my weekly email newsletter. Every week I'll send you an email with the links to the previous videos, plus any other cool information, news, or deals I think you might be interested in. And occasionally we do some special stuff for the subscribers. So I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.